Welcome back to HK Auto Garage. Today we're exploring the much-anticipated return of a true automotive icon, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Reimagined for the modern era, this coupe blends retro charm with contemporary engineering, creating a nostalgic yet futuristic driving experience that captures attention at every turn. From the outside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is a beautiful tribute to its classic roots. Volkswagen has kept the low-slung, flowing silhouette and smooth curves that made the original so beloved. The front end features sleek, rounded LED headlights with a subtle chrome accent, while the wide grille and clean lines add a modern edge. At the rear, slim LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets give it a sporty but refined finish. The design language is simple yet elegant, striking a perfect balance between vintage inspiration and 21st century sophistication. It sits on 18 or optional 19-inch alloy wheels with polished lips, enhancing its stylish stance. Step inside the cabin and you're greeted with a mix of retro flair and modern functionality. The dashboard has a minimalist horizontal layout with circular air vents and a two-tone color scheme that nods to the original Karmann Ghia. Materials are top-notch with soft-touch surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and optional leather upholstery. The centerpiece is a high-resolution 10-inch touchscreen that controls navigation, entertainment, and climate settings. Analog-style dials surround a digital instrument cluster, offering a nostalgic touch with high-tech clarity. The seats are supportive yet comfortable, designed for both cruising and spirited driving. While it's a two-door coupe, there's decent room for two adults in the front, and the small rear seats can serve for short trips or extra storage. Ambient lighting, wireless phone charging, and a premium sound system make it feel like a premium experience, all while staying true to its roots. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia comes with two powertrain options. The standard model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter, four-cylinder engine, producing around 210 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It's quick, smooth, and delivers the kind of agile performance you'd want from a lightweight coupe. For those seeking more excitement, there's a plug-in hybrid variant pushing out nearly 300 horsepower with instant torque and improved efficiency. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just under 6 seconds in the hybrid trim, making it more than capable on both urban roads and open highways. The handling is precise and responsive, with a sport-tuned suspension that keeps the car composed around corners while maintaining everyday comfort. Driving modes let you switch between eco, comfort, and sport settings, adapting the car's behavior to your preference. In terms of safety, it comes with all the latest features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane assist, and a rear-view camera as standard. Pricing for the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia starts at around $36,000 for the base model and goes up to about $44,000 for the hybrid version with premium features. For a car that offers style, heritage, and modern performance, it's an enticing choice for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Thanks for tuning in to HK Auto Garage. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic meets modern car reviews.